3-in-1 na yun. Sa 7-Eleven naman siguro dito.
Paano kaya upload to? Puro ano niya.
Let's go to SM. Hairstylist. Let's go. Ano sa'yo ate?
Cheesy bake.
Cheesy bake
Macaron.
mac. Cheesy bake mac. Then, Conti's salad. Signature salad. Tapos, akin ay linguine with seafood. Then, fresh strawberry shake. Let's eat. Ako pa na. Sige, So, I'm going to try this clothes. Take a time. I might get this one. I'm gonna get the white one. Let's go. World or Hi everyone! So this is my second attempt na magpagupit because last time nung pumunta kami ni ate, as you have seen on the previous clips, wala din yung nagugupit sa akin. So ngayon babalik ako pero ako dala mag-isa. And I love doing errands like this na alone. Doing errands alone just makes me more calm and just sit on my thoughts. So ayun, kaya walang kasama today, and I'm also planning to stop by thrift store. So I'll also take you guys with me there para lang masaya. So ayun, just so you have a glimpse in what I like to do whenever I have opportunities like this. I haven't filmed a video that much this March. Kasi first half ng March, very overwhelmed because of a lot of things happened noong February. Pero iyon, medyo nakakalma na ang introvert. And since I think medyo may mga ganap din tayo sa second half ng March, so I'll try my best to film those stuff. Let's go and go to the salon. So ito na yung last na may kita niyong mahabang hair. Everyone, so it's already 7 o'clock and it's late na din, so I cannot go sa Ukay anymore kasi parang 1 hour na lang din before mag-close yung pinag-uukayan ko, so hindi siya worth it magtingin kung may limited hour lang tayo. Maybe I'll go back tomorrow or sa Sunday. So do we like the haircut? Yes, na-achieve nung naggugupit yung haircut na iniing ko, and I'm so happy kasi there's no regrets. Hopefully I can also style this haircut pag ako na lang yung nag-blower and all. So hopefully low maintenance naman yung ganitong haircut. Sabi din naman nung nagupit sa akin. Yun lang. Hi everyone, so there's really a lot of people dito sa Ukay, so hindi ako makapag-film kasi naiya ako. Pero ayun, I just select some clothes and also dumiretso din ako sa mga priority clothes ko. Very mura lang din yung mga damit ngayon kasi parang nasa 60% off or 50% off. So I'm going to try some clothes that I picked and hopefully I can get 1 or 2 kasi yun lang din yung nasa budget ko. So I'll be trying the skirts kasi skirt din yung priority ko, and then here, ito talaga yung binalikan ko. Nakita ko last time, and then I saw some cute dress, so I might as well try that. So I went back kanina and ganito yung ginagawa ko sa Ukay, guys. Parang kukuha ako ng parang base outfit or base top para i-partner dun sa mga nahanap kong damit. So ito yung dalawang yun. Kaya bumalik ulit ako sa labas kasi para may prepare ako dito sa mga skirts.
햇살처럼 따뜻한 너의 눈빛로阳光把温暖的你的眼神
Hi everyone! So ngayon, I'm on my way to BGC because this one is my first job interview. So I'll see you when I go na sa BGC.
Iyan mo yung song.
Paka-VTEX po tayo, sir?
Ha?
Paka-VTEX po ba?
Tama mo ba daan natin?
Ano po ito eh, pabalik po ito eh.
Hindi, papunta tayo ron.
Apo. Hi everyone, so I'm now at BGC and I'm just waiting for my time. Kasi 1 PM pa yung schedule ko, so I think tatambay muna ako sa 7-Eleven or Starbucks to kill some time. So yeah.
우리 처음 만난 그 순간부터从我们初次相遇的那一瞬间开始 운명처럼 끌렸던 걸 느꼈지 저感觉到了如命运般的牵引 사랑해 사랑해 너를 사랑해 我爱你我爱你我真的
Afternoon ko, apa. Hi everyone, so I'm currently at Makati and I'm going to try a new restaurant at the Fat Seed. So that's where I'm going right now and I've been walking non-stop because I don't really know where to eat, pero ayun, I decided na doon na lang ako kakain. So let's go there and try a new restaurant. Dapat pala, kanina ko pa nilugay yung buhok ko. Kasi mukhang shock ko kanina. And just like that, March went by on its own. It is the beginning of summer and also the beginning of a new chapter for me. It was a 180-degree shift, but despite the changes, I was reminded by this phrase: allow yourself to be a beginner. After all, we are all living our lives for the first time, isn't it?